Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain why Italy was so useless answered. Listen closely as I outline 5 clear factors, focusing on political fragmentation, economic limits, and external pressures. Follow along and pause if you want to take notes or rewind to review specific explanations. I'll connect institutional choices to real consequences and show how culture, geography, and alliances influenced outcomes in practical ways, without oversimplifying complex history. Political fragmentation meant competing rulers, uneven law, and slow reform, which hampered coordinated defense and economic policy. Regional rivalries produced short-term deals that weakened long-term strategy, and local elites resisted reforms that threatened privileges. Without a strong, centralized authority, responses to external threats were inconsistent and inefficient, limiting sustained military investment and rapid mobilization. This structural weakness set the stage for recurring diplomatic setbacks and missed opportunities on the international stage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear history explainers. Quick recommendation: bento box leak-proof containers are great for meal prep. They seal tight, stack neatly, and save spills in backpacks or bags. I use them when researching and snacking, which keeps my notes clean and my lunch ready. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Economic constraints limited the ability to fund modern armies and navies, while taxation systems often failed to generate steady revenue for large-scale projects. Industrial capacity lagged behind competitors, reducing ammunition and shipbuilding output during prolonged conflicts. Military reforms were intermittent and uneven, with short bursts of modernization followed by neglect. These factors combined to produce forces that struggled with logistics, training, and sustained operations when facing better funded and organized adversaries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.